Tired of Shopify's tax settings making your head spin? Today, we're cutting through the confusion and showing you exactly how to remove taxes from your Shopify checkout. First things first, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look for the settings option at the very bottom left-hand corner of your screen and give it a click. This is where all the magic happens. In the settings menu, find and select taxes and duties. This will take you to Shopify's tax settings, where you will find a host of options to customize how taxes are handled in your store. Now, let's say you want to remove taxes for a specific product. Scroll down to the Tax Override section, click Add Tax Override, then select the product you'd like to adjust. In the country drop-down, choose the country where you want the override to apply. Change the tax rate to 0%. This will exclude taxes for that specific product in that specific location. Want to remove taxes for specific customers? You'll need a Shopify Plus plan for this feature. If you have Shopify Plus, you can mark individual customer profiles as tax exempt. When these customers check out, they won't be charged sales tax. Another way to remove taxes is by managing your store locations. If you are not registered to collect taxes in a specific region, ensure that location is marked as not registered. Shopify will then know not to collect taxes from customers in that area. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove taxes from your Shopify checkout for specific products, customers, and locations. Remember to always consult with a tax professional to ensure you're compliant with all applicable tax laws. Thanks for watching.